Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll down and click on Privacy section over here. Then select Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features, like Location. Then you need to tap on one of your apps, for example, maybe Google Play Store, and select one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, allow only while using, so when I go back, as you can see, Google Play Store gained access to this device location if I'm using it. But you can always just click on one of your apps, select See all Google Play Store permissions, and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!